The journey begins with early steam shovels that transformed excavation and accelerated rail construction in the 1830s. Across oceans, portable cranes expanded ports from London to New York, fueling global trade and modern urban landscapes. In the Panama Canal era, colossal earthmovers showed heavy machines could conquer rugged terrain and shorten shipping routes. Post-war Japan and Europe adopted hydraulics and diesels, rapidly spreading efficient designs to mining, roads, and cities. Today, intelligent hydraulics and autonomous systems carry the lineage forward, shaping safer skylines and sustainable infrastructure worldwide.